Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download an invoice on eBay. Whether you need it for the records or for the expense tracking, let's get started. First of all, open your eBay app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, click on My eBay and bottom left of the screen. And this will open your account. Over here, you can see purchases under shopping section. Tap on it. On the purchases section, you will see a list of your recent transactions. My purchase section is empty as I haven't purchased anything yet. However, I'll guide you through the process to download an invoice on eBay. So once you see the list of your recent transaction, locate the item for which you need the invoice. Next to the item, look for the More Action drop-down menu. Click on it and select View Order Details. On the Order Details page, you will see an option to download invoice or print invoice. Click on it and your invoice will be downloaded as PDF or ready to print. And that's it, you have successfully downloaded your invoice. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.